No basic zone.
This is Stushy and it's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, welcome to my channel. My name is Stushy. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that way you can officially become a part of the Stush gang. And right next to the subscribe button is a bell button. Make sure you ring that as well so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And to my lovely returning subscribers to the Stush gang, welcome back, y'all. You guys know that I'm always happy to have you guys back. Check out a brand new video. Get that out pretty quick, like I've mastered it at this point. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here, this look that I'm wearing today. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. We're about to dive into it. Before you forget, leave me a big thumbs up down below because I know you're gonna like this video. I know you already like how this look is looking. Yeah, how this look is looking. So go ahead and leave me a big thumbs up down below. With no further ado, let's get into it. I don't know what that is. Let's just start. Oh hey boo. Okay, so let's dive right into the eyes. My face has already been done, as you guys can see. So today we're going to be using, well, I think we're going to be using 2 palettes, maybe 3. The first palette that we're going to dive into today is this Juvia's Place, the Nomad palette. This is what it looks like. And opening it up, we're going to go into this shade right here, this orange shade right here, and we're going to work it above our crease. Move up a little bit so you guys can see my eyes just a bit better. I'm going to start to blend this out. I'm going to use it as a transitional shade. Cutie mirror on deck. Cop yours down below. I'm gonna like gravitate into my Juvia's Place palettes as of late. I feel like whenever I get new makeup, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I get new makeup, that's like all I use for like 2 weeks, and then I'll probably like forget about it. But no, we're not forgetting about these. These are good palettes and very affordable, and they're pretty much always having a sale. So pick up some Juvia's Place palettes and Black Owned Business. Love to see it. Now we're gonna go in with the Warriors number 3 palette. This is what she looks like. Opening her up. Gonna use this shade right here. I'm gonna pack it in my crease. I'm taking my time because my face is already done and I'm not trying to get blue all over my face. Take your time, take your time. We ain't in a rush to go anywhere. Outside is not open yet, at least in New York. We're still inside. So I got all the time to take my time. That's such a pretty blue, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going to lightly take the brush and try to diffuse the edge. And if you need to, you could go back in with the very first brush that you use for the transitional shade and even add a little bit more. I don't have any on my brush, but I might add some in a little bit to help you blend that out. Okay, I'm pretty content with how that looks, so let me go ahead and do the other eye real quick. Let's speed it up a bit. Ooh, child. I forgot I didn't put on any deodorant. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I just got out the shower not too long ago. Don't mind your business. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go back in with some of that blue and I'm gonna put it on the outer portion of my eye, my outer V. Just pack it in there. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm going to act like I'm cutting my crease, but I'm really not. I'm just using a brush to buff that concealer out on my lid. And I took my press-ons off. I'm about to put some new ones on today. I need to get some from some black-owned businesses, but I kind of like racked up from the drugstore. I kind of racked up on some from the drugstore once I heard that we were going to be inside for a while, so I'm going to use those first. And then now I'm going back into the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on top of the concealer. Pigment. I just ordered some glitters, y'all. Some $1 glitters from this black-owned business. I'll probably tell you guys more about it when it comes, but I'm excited to like be all glittered the F out this summer, okay? Like, I'm hella excited. They were all $1. I found the brand on Instagram, and they had like a pretty good following, and they had a ton of different glitters. Like, she hand mixes them, I guess, to create a lot of different unique colors. So I'm super excited for those to come. That's where we are with the eyes right now. I'm gonna go ahead and blend some of this out a bit. It's looking not really patchy on cam, but being that it's a light color in my crease, is kind of, you know, different. Now I'm going to dive into this Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, this mini palette that I got. And I'm going to go in with this sparkly shade right here, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. I'm going to spray it a bit too. So I grabbed some blue liners that I have. This one is from NYX. Vivid Brights liner. This is in the color Vivid Sapphire. And then I also have this Fenty Beauty Vivid Liquid Eyeliner. This doesn't have a color. No, it does. The color is Hot Tub Club. So I don't know which one I'm going to use first, but I guess just watch me work. Okay. I just want to finish one eye first before I do the second one. I think I'm going to go back in with some of that silver that I used in my inner corner. That's cute. Okay, let's do it to the other eye. So as you guys can see, I added a wing with the NYX liner. Then I also went ahead and added a half of a line right on top of the first liner. So let's do that. That's as close as you're gonna get. Okay, baby? Now we're gonna do this light blue. I'm gonna stick to the Warrior 3 palette and use that exact same blue in Gola and put that in my lower lash line. Going with some black in my lower lash line. Fenty Beauty mascara. Wow, this looks really good without lashes, but I mean, of course I'm gonna go ahead and put on some of my lashes. So I'll see you guys back here in a second. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply my lippy, put on some highlighter, some blush, and just finish it out. So stay tuned, we're about to get into some slow-mos. Okay, you guys, so this is the finish. This is the completed look. I hope you guys really like how the final look turned out. Honestly, I was a little scared, but you know, we always pull through. Just to let you guys know, I did use 2 MAC lip glosses for my lip combo. So the very first one is the Pro Longwear MAC lip gloss in the shade Patience Please. She is old, you guys, but we paid our money, so we're still going to use it. And I also used this MAC collaboration with Star Wars. This is Set to Stun. This is limited edition, so I don't believe that you can find this anymore, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's like a silver lip gloss, but I use that to top off the pink lip that I initially put down. And honorary mention for highlighter, I did go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb in How Many Carats. This is what she looks like. Mine is a little dirty because, you know, I am melanated, so sometimes some of my makeup transfers back into the pan, but yeah, I used that for a highlighter today. You see it's giving me like a nice subtle silver glow. Y'all know something is wrong, something is off if there's no Fenty Beauty in my video. So yeah, I did use that for my highlighter today, and this is the finished look. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you did indeed enjoy today's video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite part of today's video was down below in the comments. That way I know if you're still watching. That way I'll know if you're still here. If you haven't already subscribed and you are new to the channel and you're still here, I hope that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also ring the bell that's right next to the subscribe button, so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And yeah, I think that's the outro spiel. I think that is the outro spiel. So until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye, guys. Why is my bottom lip trembling? Is there lip gloss on my eyeliners? Don't judge. If you've worn eyeliners, if you have retainers, you know. I'm a glossy gal, so it gets up in there for sure, for sure.